Hi everyone, upgrading to a new phone. Here's a quick guide to transfer your Ultra Mobile eSIM with ease. Let's get started. Transfer Ultra Mobile eSIM to new phone. Turn on Bluetooth or a Wi-Fi on both the mobile. Go to settings from a new device and click transfer eSIM to install the eSIM on new device. Step 1. Check your new phone's compatibility. If you are bringing your own phone, make sure your phone is compatible Ultra Mobile network. To check your phone's compatibility, visit Ultra Mobile Compatibility Check page and enter device's IMEI to check and click Check Phone. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Find IMEI number. On iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then About, scroll down to find the IMEI number listed. On Android, open the Settings app, scroll down and tap on About Phone or About Device. Alternatively, you can dial *#06# on the phone app to display the IMEI. Step 2. Check new phone eSIM compatibility. Go to eSIM compatibility check page. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. Click Check Compatibility button, select your device's brand and model. Click Check button. If it is not compatible, you cannot install the eSIM. Step 3. Carrier Unlock Status New Phone. For iOS, open the Settings app, go to General, then About, scroll down to find the Network Provider lock screen. If it says no SIM restrictions, your iPhone is unlocked. If it indicates any restrictions, the phone is carrier locked. For Android, open the settings, then go to network and internet or connection, then go to mobile network, then network operator or choose network, turn off select automatically. If you see a list of available networks, your phone is unlocked. If only your current carrier's network appears, it is likely locked. Step 4. Turn on Wi-Fi. Connect your both phones to Wi-Fi. For iOS, open the Settings app, tap Wi-Fi, toggle it on, and select the network you want to connect to from the list. Then enter the password if prompted. For Android, open the Settings apps, go to Network and Internet or Connections, tap Wi-Fi, toggle it on, and select the desired network from the list, entering the password if required. Step 5. Turn on Bluetooth. Turn on Bluetooth on your both phones and ensure your phone is fully charged. For iOS, open the Settings app, tap Bluetooth, toggle it on, and select the device you want to connect to from the list. For Android, open the Settings app, go to Bluetooth, turn it on, and tap on the device you wish to connect to from the available devices. Step 6. Access eSIM settings on old phone and iPhone. On your old phone, go to Settings, Cellular Mobile Data, select your SIM plan, select the eSIM, and click Transfer. Step 7. Start the transfer process. On your new phone, go to Settings, then Cellular Mobile Data, select the option to add a new plan and choose Transfer from nearby iPhone. If both phones are iPhone, or follow the carrier's instructions if transferring between different types of devices. Confirm the transfer request on your old device when prompted. You may need to enter a verification code or follow additional prompts. Once the transfer is confirmed, your new phone will download and activate the eSIM profile. Follow any additional instructions provided by Ultra Mobile. Step 8. Transfer eSIM on Android. On your new device, open settings, then go to connection, then go to SIM manager and add eSIM. On your new device, tap transfer SIM from another device. On your old device, a pop-up for a SIM transfer will appear. Tap transfer on your old device. Input the 6-digit verification code displayed on your new device. On your new device, choose a phone number from the list provided by your old device, then tap transfer. On your old device, tap transfer again to confirm. The selected number will be transferred to your device. On your old device, tap Done. The eSIM for the selected number will automatically download and activate on your new Samsung Galaxy device. Step 9. Contact Ultra Mobile customer support. If you cannot find the transfer option in your device, you have to contact Ultra Mobile support team for assistance. Call Ultra Mobile customer service at 1-888-777-0446 or dial 611 from your Ultra Mobile phone or visit Ultra Mobile FAQ page. Scroll down to chat with live agent. I have provided the link in the description. You can directly go through it. This is the primary method to request a number change.
Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. If you want to see more videos, hit the subscribe button.